Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So in the first step, go to search bar and type your device manager. From the search results, click here to open it and it will open a device manager window. There is another way to open device manager window. Simply right click on the start icon and select device manager and this window will open. First of all, we will update the drivers of the USB system. So right click on the USB host. You can right click on the properties and select drivers and then click on update driver. Select the first option and the base driver will be installed automatically. If this not work, you can select the second one, browse my computer, select this, select the model, click on next, and it will take some time to complete installation process. And then once done, close this window. Now expand the mice and other pointing devices. Right click on the mouse, right click on properties, select the drivers tab and go to update driver. Select the first option. Once done, close the window and simply restart your system. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That's it guys, like the video and please do subscribe the channel.